What's good, guys? Welcome once again. So I promised to bring a quick guide on how to use the new platform of Sway Market. The Sway Chat platform is very advanced, and I believe if you love trading the TradingView platform, you are definitely going to love this. And I believe this is way advanced compared to most of the other trading platform we are used to. And I'm going to quickly show you a guide on how to understand this platform, how to use it, and how to know everything that is really to know about this platform. So when you open the software after you download, and when you open it, you will get something like this. You simply need to log in, and with this, you need to use your email address and also your trading password right here. So I'm going to log in right now and begin this demonstration. So let's log in, and then let me quickly log in. Okay, so we are logged in. This is one of the student accounts, a practice account I just made for this demonstration. So when you log in, you will get something like this. And the cool thing about this platform is it is very easy to understand. So when you see something like this, you will find your trading account right here. If you have multiple trading accounts in your Sway Market broker account, you will find all your trading accounts listed right here. So you can easily switch between multiple trading accounts you have right here. So if I had 2 or more trading accounts, it would be listed right over here. So in this case, this is the only trading account and this practice account. And then there is a 20 USD in this. I want to use this for just a demonstration. So this is one of the features I like over here. You can change your theme, your software theme. When you click over here, you can change the theme. This is the dark theme. You can switch it over to the light theme. So if you love to use the light theme, you can do that right here. And if you love to use the dark theme, you can simply turn this off and you are good to go. So we have other settings over here. You can you can set this up as you want to have it. Play sound on order execution, play sound on order rejection, and all of that. You can go around this as you would love to have it. And the next thing I would love to talk about is how to set up the chart in these markets. So when you go to your watch list, right? When you go to watch list, you'll see something like this. This is basically the watch list over here. So let me just use this one over here. So when you click on the watch list, you will get this this window over here. So you may also use this icon here to move this window any way you want it. All right, you can move it across over here. You can also move it whichever way you would like to have it, and then you can click here and create your own watch list. So I created this not quite long. So I have the pound USD and the euro USD. So if you have other trading instruments you trade, you can simply add them over here. So if you have let's say euro USD, you simply search and then it will be added for you right there. If you trade USD JPY, you simply do the same process, and your pairs will be added to this very place. So you can do this on and on and on to add all the markets or your favorite markets that you trade. Whichever market you trade, you can use that to add them to your watch list. So this is a watch list I created. You can also create another list, right? You can just click right here, create a list, and then you name it whichever you want. You may call this, let's say, my pairs. Let's call this my pairs, and then you click on save. So this is my pairs, and all I need to do is to add the markets I love to trade and add them right in my pair. So you can use this to set up a list of the markets that you trade and just focus on that below, right? So we also have the public list, the default watch list. This is what you get when you open your platform. You will find the default watch list. This comes with the platform ready-made, right? So you can switch between your private list. I have blue VIP list, I have my pairs I just created. You can use these to set up a watch list of the markets that you want to trade. And the next thing is let's load up a chart. You simply click on any of the pairs and then click on view chart, right? So when you click on the view chart, you would get something like this. This is the chart over here. And let's close this. We are not using this. So let's make this full screen. So we have the USD JPY right here. This is the USD JPY. So the first thing we want to do here is to set up this chart. And let's go to chart settings. So with chart settings, you can customize this however you want it to look like. So the high and low, I do not use high and low. I can uncheck this. I can also uncheck horizontal grid. Likewise, the vertical grid. Candle wick, I need that. The watermark, that is the USD JPY sign. You can uncheck this as you wish. So I would uncheck this, and then let's go on to trading from charts. Okay, that is good. Show active orders. If you have an active position, it will be shown on your chart. So show open orders, these are good. Let's go on to legend. So here we have the instrument name. If you uncheck this, your instrument name will not be visible on the chart. So this right here, you can see when I uncheck this, it will be gone, right? So the OHLC values, that is the open, high, low, and close. If you need it, you can leave it on. If you do not need it, you can uncheck that as well. The next is the volume value. If you use volumes, you can uncheck it, you can leave it on. If you do not use volumes, you can uncheck that as well. And the last one is the aggregation period. You can uncheck that if you need it. If you do not need it, if you need it, you can leave it on. That is the 1 minute charts we see right there, the 1M. That is the aggregation period, right? And you can also go on to the other options. You can play around these as you wish. You may play around all these as you wish. Let's go on to data. If you use volumes, you may leave this on. If you do not use volume, you can simply uncheck volumes. So the volumes are all these you see right here. So you can use that to uncheck your volumes and your colors. If you like your candle colors or your chart colors to look different than these, you can use these to change your candle colors as you wish. So you have so many of them: the bullish body, the bearish body, the doji, the watermarks, and all of that. You can set up the colors as you wish for your charts. And the patterns also, you can play around these as you wish. So you can have your chart exactly as you want it to look like. So this really looks like TradingView, but it is a lot more advanced, and I'll show you some of the cool features in this setup. So also, like I said from the beginning, you can use this to change to the light theme, right? You can switch between the dark and the light theme as you wish, right? So I would simply leave this on the dark theme for now. So this is what we have for now, and you have your tools right here. You have a lot of tools right here: the arrow, the price line, the trend lines, your rectangle for your zones, and your fibs, your Fibonacci. You find them right here. This is fib retracements. You find a lot of tools right here, a lot of tools right here, and then you can use that for your trading as you wish. This is just an example. You have a trend line, something like this. You have your rectangle, very slick, very clean, something like that, you can see. And then you have a lot of tools you can use for your trading as you wish. So you can hide this by clicking on this expand toolbar, or you bring it up by clicking on that as well. So very easy to set up that way. And if you want to look at a different chart, it is very simple to switch. You just simply search a different chart right here. Let's look at Euro USD. So Euro USD comes up, you click on it, and then you have EU just like that. So your chart setup will remain as you have set it up, right? Every setup with every chart settings will be on USD JPY, you would have it on EU as well. So if you switch to a different, let's switch back to UJ, and then you would see something real quick. So when you switch back to UJ, you can see the same markup I did on UJ. I have it right here, right? The trend line and the zone I drew on UJ is still right there. So if I switch on to a different chart, my trend line will remain on that very chart I worked on. So let's look at a different chart. Let's look at gold. So if I have gold, something like this is gold. So my chart settings will remain. So let's go on to, this is where you change your time frame, right? Your chart time frame. You can switch between your time frame. H1, you have H1 right there. You have your H4 right there. Very clean, it moves so nicely. If you have a very good mouse, you will enjoy this very nicely. So this is where you can switch between your time frame, and this is where you can switch between your chart type. So if you want the candlestick chart, if you want the bar chart, the line chart, these are different types of charts you may use for your trading. If you know how to use all of these, that is a plus for you. So you can switch between all of that. And then you have here, this is also a very quick way to get your tools. Also, the same thing you have right here, you have it over here as well. And then if you need your indicators, you can use this to get your indicators and add them to your chart. All these are chart indicators, so you can use that to place indicators on your chart if you used them. And over here, you have your other settings you can use. If you want to take a screenshot of your chart or share your chart, you can do that very easily. You can download your chart image and save to your PC, or you simply copy and paste to your other platforms, your social platforms, your chart platforms, and all of that. So that is simply how to understand all of this over here. And the next thing I will talk about is the position. So this is the chart settings we have just explained. We have explained everything about chart right over here. So the next one here, which is the position. When you click on position, you will get something like this. This is the position window right here. So with this position window right here, if I have any open position, any open trade, I would find them right over here, which means you find the symbol, the size of the trade, the profit and loss of the trade. This is only for active trades, right? This is for trades you have in your accounts. Active trades, closed trade, you find them instead right here. Like I said, this is a very fresh account. I just made it before starting this session. So everything about your trades, you find them over here. Stop loss, take profits, position ID, everything, you find them right here. And you can move this around as you wish, right? You can change the position of this window as you wish, right? So that is the position chart. So let's close it and then look at the other items. So let's look at, okay, we've looked at the watch lists, and then the other one I would like to talk about is, let's enlarge this. So the other one I would like to talk about is how to place trades on your chart. So you can see we have the sell, we have the buy right here, right? This is the sell, this is the buy. So when you click on the sell over here, this is actually very cool because it helps you to set your risk management a lot easier. It makes a lot of sense, right? So when you click on your sell right here, you can set the lot sizes. You can set your lot sizes, and also it's going to show you the minimum balance you need to place trade on this very instrument, right? This include your margin required and the spread required, right? So you have this right here. So keep in mind, this is not the spread value, right? This is the combination of the spread and the margin required for this trade. So you have it right there. And then over here, you have your stop loss. When you set a stop loss, let's click on that and show you something real quick. So if I'm setting stop loss going upward this way, when you click on this here, you can see it shows you the P value. Likewise, it shows you the percentage of that on your account, right? So depending on your account size, as you set a stop loss, it shows you the percentage of that loss on your account if this trade ends a loss. If this trade ends a loss, it shows you the percentage loss. of that trade on your account. So this is a 4% loss on the account if it ends a loss. Likewise, the same thing applies to the pips. You are able to know exactly how much loss you are putting, how much profit or how much loss you are going to encounter if this trade ends, goes your way or not. So profit also, when you move your mouse, when you click on it several times, you can see it also shows the impact right here, 10 pips profit, and then it shows the percentage of that on your account, right? So this is very cool. It helps you to know the percentage impact of the loss or your profit order in your account, right? And the other thing I would quickly show, let's go back to the watch list. So back to the watch list again. Let's close this. So with the watch list, you can also customize your watch list, right? When you click on this icon here, click on column customization. When you click on that, you can see we have this right now. Right now, we have the bid right here. We have the ask, we have the change, we have the description right here. And you may have any of these as well. So I'm going to add spread over here. So I want to have spread on it also. So when you have had the spread, it shows you the spread value of your market. So USD/JPY, you have just 0.5 spread, very tight raw spread. Euro USD, you have 0.1 spread on that. So this is how you can customize and get extra details for the market you are trading. And let's close that and go on to the trading dashboard. So with the trading dashboard, it shows you everything concerning your account, right? So the net profit and loss, you see it right here. Like I said, this is a fresh account, so there is no trading position taken on this account just yet. We made this for this demonstration, this illustration video only. So total net profit and loss, you have it right here, 0.0. Risk to reward ratio for your trades, you find it right here. The win rates of your accounts, of your trading, you find it right here. The percentage returns, you find it right here. Your maximum drawdown for the period, total history, you find more details right here. So this is more like having my FX book right inside of your trading platform, monitoring every trading activities that you take. So you have all these extra details you can use to understand your trading performance. Likewise, you can come onto your trading journal. And your trading journal, you will find extra details. So with this journal here, your trading symbols will be listed right here. The date and time for your trades will be listed over here. The order ID, you have it here. The position effect on your account, you have it here. The trade volume, trade price, profit and loss in pips, and extra details you find in your journal will be listed right there. So you can customize this journal as you want. You may add notes to your trades to better understand the impact of every trade that you take in your account. So you can also customize this. You can see this column customization to better understand, have everything you want in this column right here. So this is very easy to understand. You can look around this, and over here you have your balance, you have your equity, profit and loss, used margin, free margin, and all of that. So you can use this also to better understand the activities in your trading accounts. So this is the trading platform. Like I said, it is very easy to use. You have your toolbars over here to add any tools on your charts for your analysis. You have every other options like as I've talked about to understand everything you need to do. And with this one, you do not need to always log in and log out of every individual trading account you have in your broker account. So when you log into this platform, every trading account inside of your broker account will be listed right here. So you can simply switch between different trading accounts in just one click. And then you find your balance details, everything will be updated immediately. So very easy to understand, very advanced, and I believe there are more features coming into this platform in the coming days. So if you are yet to get on with Sway, it is very recommended broker. It is fully regulated, and right now we have the our own trading platform, which is major key, which is also major key um, for long-term growth in this business, because a lot of changes are coming to metal quotes, and you cannot always move around doing business in a very unstable platform. So the best thing is to have your personal platform, and then you are good to go. The most important thing is dealing with a very good broker. The trading platform is just to execute trades. Everything else is handled from the broker end, and you have a very good and fully regulated broker to work with, and that is the most important thing. So that'll be everything on this platform. If you are yet to make an account with Sway Market, be free to get on and make an account and enjoy this very powerful and advanced trading platform. Peace.